Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the following and followers on notifications on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then click here on your profile icon, then click on these three lines and then go to the notifications, and now go to the following and followers, and here we have this section, so you can manage as you want the new followers, off, on, the accepted follow requests if you want to turn this off, or on as you want, the account suggestions, the mentions in bio, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.